Hello friends, welcome to my channel Python with Harsh. Okay, now previously we learned about a function, but in deep knowledge we are going to know more about function. What is function? How we can call function? How we can define function? Okay, so functions are defined using a def keyword. We can define a function using a def keyword like this. I have already written one code, all the code for you like this. We will explain it step by step. Okay, so this is a func name of the function. We are print one statement in this function, and the function call. We are defining function, we print function, and we call the function. Okay, so what is the output of that? What is the output of this? Let's check it out. Okay, so welcome to Python with Harsh. This is output. This is a print statement that we are writing into the function. Okay, that's it. Now we can see that function call multiple times. We can also call a function multiple times. First we define a function, print statement, and then after we are calling it 3 times. We can also call it 4 times and 5 times. Okay, let's check. You can see that my name is Harsh are printed 5 times. So that function call more than one time. So we can also call this now function with one parameter. We can give one parameter to the function. The parameter is name. The parameter is a name, and in print statement we put this parameter as a print statement. Okay, and then after call the function, so that function and the parameter value, actual value of the parameter, so that print statement print the name of value, the value of a name parameter, and then print the hello my name is Harsh. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, hello my name is Harsh. If we change the name here like Dev, then it will print hello my name is Dev. Okay, now we are going to see that function with multiple parameters. Now we can also assign a multiple parameters in one function like this. In func is the name of the function, and we are assigning a 2 variable. First one is name and second one is age. So name and age are assigned in this function, and we print it like a separately. We can also print it like this, that print statement hello my name is name, and I am old. Okay, so we can also assign like that. We can also print a name and age like this. Let's check it out. Okay, you can see that hello my name is Harsh and I am 22 years old. Now we can change the value of the parameter like 23, and there is a Ved. So this printing, hello, my name is Ved and I am 23 years old. Okay. So also we can call like this. Now function returning a value. There is a function name. We can create all the function, any name of function using a def keyword. Like a def addition. This function perform a addition function. Def subtraction. These functions are used to subtract a value from one to another. And we can call it by print statement. So addition make the addition of x plus y and subtraction make the subtraction of x minus y. Let's check it out. Okay, so the addition of 12 and 12 is 24 and the subtraction of 30 and 20 is the subtraction of 30 and 20 is 10. Okay, so we are returning a value. Now also we can return a multiplication of it, like x and y. We are going to return a multiplication of x and y. So that return x into y. Okay, now print this function and call the function in print statement. Okay, suppose our x is 2 and our y is 5. 10. Okay, so our answer will be 20. Okay, let's check it out. And we can modify it like this, that the multiplication of the x and y is this. We have to put it format string that we are only about. We are not using a format string in this, so we are giving only multiplication is the actual multiplication of the number. You can see that the multiplication is 20. Okay, now we default parameter, that we can also give a default parameter into the function. Suppose function name is equal to Harsh. In first calling function we are not giving any argument, we are not giving any parameter in this function, so it will default takes the Harsh as a parameter, and in second one we will give a Dev. Okay, if we are call the function again third time, then what? And it is also take the parameter as a Harsh. Let's check it out. You can see that Harsh, Dev and Harsh. So Dev is a given parameter, that means assigned parameter, and the func and the no any empty brackets is called as a default parameter. Okay, so this is a default parameter. Now keyword arguments. Keyword arguments means we are giving a two parameters with their value. We are giving a parameters also and the value of the parameter also, so that it will print a name and age in single function. You can see that Harsh and 22 is printable like this. Okay, so keyword argument work in keyword means key and value. Okay, So that parameter and the value of the parameter are assigned into the function and we are printing this. Okay. Now arbitrary arguments. Arbitrary arguments that if we want to print a tuple, sorry, this is a tuple. So this is also print a tuple like a 23, 45. Okay. And the last one is keyword arbitrary arguments. That means data. We are keyword arbitrating keywords. Keyword argument are defined as a 2 asterisk and one single argument are used as a single asterisk. Okay. Now we are data as a argument, data as a parameter with its two asterisks and print the data, and we can give a data into the calling function. Okay, so Hirsch and 22 are printed as a key and value pair. Okay, this is name is a key and Hirsch is a value, age is a key and 22 is a value. Okay, so that's all about the function, definition, calling function, multiple function and many more. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video and please subscribe, like and share my video as possible. Thank you so much.